Hello everybody, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With me EEC Jogja. I would like to explain to you about the functions of using tenses present tense. Let me start it. What is the functions of tenses present? The first is habitual action. Habitual actions is what our do every day, like our habit. Apa yang kita lakukan sehari-hari, like kebiasaan kita. At the same time, for example, like he goes to school every day. He eats at 7 o'clock a.m. early in the morning. So this is habit. What do you do every day? General thought is a permanent statement. For example, like fire is hot. 1 week has 7 days. For example, like this. So this is actually permanent sentences. The third is timetable. When you usually use the schedule time, you can use this present tense for making the schedule time. For example, I get up at 7 o'clock a.m. in the morning. I usually go to school at 6:45 a.m. in the morning. Hey, what about time signal? Time signal after this present tense we can use like always, usually, every week, every time. What about the formula? We can divide it by two of the formula of tenses present tense. The first is when we use verb. When we use verb, the formula is subject plus s atau es plus one, and then a negative subject plus do, or maybe does plus not plus verb one, or maybe kalimat pertanyaan, or maybe interrogative sentence. You can put do or does in the fronts of the sentences. For example, do or does plus subject plus verb one. For example, she watches TV every night. Okay, she doesn't watch. So this is verb one. She doesn't watch TV every night. Does she watch TV every night? Okay, so let's go to the non-verb. Non-verb, this is without verb. So this is usually to be followed by adjective, adverb, sama noun. The formula is subject plus am is are plus adjective, adverb, sama noun. And then negatifnya subject plus am is are plus not plus adjective, adverb, sama noun. And then the question atau interrogative sentence is am is are plus subject plus adjective, adverb, sama noun. For example, I am hungry today. This is positive. Negatifnya I'm not hungry today. And then the question sentence, are you hungry today? Okay, so this is quite easy, right?